Thanks for asking this question. I am so glad you did. Our name comes from the lessons that teach the children the silent E rules, and those lessons are taught by the puppet character Silent Elephant E. In phonetic reading with Silent Elephant E, every lesson is taught in an experiential way. They experience their learning with phonetic reading with Silent Elephant E. In the Silent E lessons, the children are learning by being a partner in the lessons with Silent Elephant E, the puppet, as he teaches the Silent E rules. He starts the lesson by explaining why he is silent. Because phonetic reading with Silent Elephant E is all about experiencing their learning, the kids get to experience being the puppet and acting out the Silent E rules. They love it, they love the puppet, and they never forget the rules. They will always remember being the puppet and what he taught them and how he taught them.